class. So today what we are going to do is we are going to create drawings of faces. I have chosen to draw a cute little bear, but your drawings are going to have a little bit of a twist. So to create this drawing, we need to first fold paper and then draw and color in. So you will begin with a piece of paper. Your first step is going to be to fold it in half. Notice it is up and down. And I'm going to just take the bottom and fold it this way. And then you'll see that you have two flaps after you fold something, right? So take the first flap and fold it up so it meets the crease. Flip it over and do the same thing to the other side. And then when you open your paper, you'll notice that you have 4 different kind of sections. The 2 middle sections will be your open mouth, and the top and bottom will be the top of the head and the bottom of the head. So you need to start by just looking at the top and bottom section. So just fold it so the middle 2 sections are hidden. And I am going to draw another bear. So I like to start with a circular head shape. One thing to keep in mind is that the mouth is going to be right on the crease. So don't make your head go too far down or too far up. So I'm going to start with the mouth so I can explain that. So the mouth needs to be right on the crease, and I just like to keep it a straight line. That is because when you open your mouth, you need to be able to see the top and the bottom very clearly. And if it was curved, the curve wouldn't necessarily fit this area correctly. So just start with a straight line that goes right along the crease of your paper. Now I'm going to draw eyes and a little nose. I'll color my eyes in also. And you can choose whatever sort of face you want. It doesn't necessarily need to be a bear. It could be a human, it could be an animal, it could be an emoji or any other character you might be able to think of. So now that I have drawn my bear's face, you can open it up and you notice that all this space is blank now. You need to connect the sides of the head and finish outlining the mouth. So I'm just going to draw a line to connect the sides here and draw some lines that connect the corners of the mouth. And in this one I chose to make my mouth kind of scary with sharp teeth, but you don't need to do that. It could be goofy. It's all up to you. For example, maybe I will draw some buck teeth. Looks a little more like a beaver now. Maybe it'll just be a beaver. And some more teeth down here. Include its tongue. And maybe it has, since it's kind of like a beaver now, maybe it has like a stick inside of its mouth. It could be whatever you want it to be. So now that I have drawn it and you can see that it is working how it's supposed to, you can start coloring in. I'm going to use crayon, but you are able to use whatever utensils you would like. Okay, so now I have finished coloring and my beaver is completed. You'll notice that I also trace with Sharpie. You do not need to trace with Sharpie, but if you finish coloring and you have extra time, you may. Your first priority is to color though, so wait until after you've colored to worry about Sharpie at all. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I cannot wait to see what you create.